Okay, I just inadvertently turned the camera off there, but this is walking down to the sea and releasing anything from the past week into the water and leaving space for the new. Lovely new moon on very early UK time, Tuesday morning. Brilliant new start as individuals and for what we bring to the collective, being in the sign of Aquarius. So let's go down to the water. Okay everyone, tide's going out, let it all go. Leave a fresh open space inside you for what's coming in and feel positive and excited about it.